What is up, everybody? I want to say this is day 5, and we've been going strong. Today's the final day. My hair's all messed up. We've been going good, you know. Day 5. My tooth hurts. Sorry, I don't know why. I hope everybody else is having a good week. Had a good week. I just finished up. Took a test. Got a 95%. It was a history test. Got a 95, so I'm pretty proud of myself. But, yeah. If you're here, you probably know what the video is about. Just showing you guys how the market went today, how I did today. You know, it was a bad day for my two stocks. Wasn't that bad of a day for the ETF and the mutual fund. Normally it's not a bad day for those, but I'm in a predicament here, guys. Let me show you. So these keep going down. Oh, geez, like 70% in the last 2 days. Sundial. Canopy was up for a while today. Oh, look, I cut my fingernails. Canopy was up for a while today. Dropped, is what it is. I do still expect Sundial to go back up. It actually dropped to about 198 today. And it went back up to 208. So that shows it was rebounding a little bit at the end of the day. Let me show you. Yeah, today's low was $1.78. About right over here, I think it was about $1.98. Does that make sense? Maybe over here is about $1.98. Opened pretty high. Not really, but is what it is, you know. I wish I would have sold where it was $4 a share. Hindsight is 20/20, however. So I will turn you guys back around. I hope it's focused. Let me tap that again. So Sundial, you know, is whatever. I still think it's going to go back up. A lot of people on Twitter still think it's going to go back up. I still made money, so as long as it doesn't get to around $1.50, if it gets to $1.50, I'm going to sell. I'll still make money at $1.50, but not as, you know, definitely not as much as almost $4. Canopy, I don't know if you guys saw, down by 1% today. I've lost $10 on it since I bought it, so I'm really hoping that that it goes back up sometime. If not, it is what it is. If it gets back to 49, that's what it is. I still think it's going to go higher because of the legalization of marijuana. You know, everything's going to go up. But S&P went up today by 0.5% almost. So that's, you know, normal day. Not bad. In total, the past month, I've made 4.5%. So that's pretty good. I don't remember what it was yesterday, but $14. So it's not bad in the last month. My ETF, my iShares, if you guys want to know what it was, I don't think I've ever told you guys the name. The call number or whatever it's called is IHAK. It's iShares Cybersecurity and Tech ETF. The main holdings are, here, let me show you. Here's the top 10. CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, Fortinet, don't get that confused with Fortnite, Zscaler, Okta, Juniper. Juniper is doing really well over the last year, actually. I'll show you guys over the last year. It almost doubled over the last year. The stock price is pretty low too. Today's change it went down, but it's gone up 12% in a year, so that's pretty good. BlackBerry, as many of you know, people were trying to give that a little short squeeze too, like GameStop. It's gone up 95% so far. Maybe Juniper isn't doing it as great as I thought it was. I'm down by almost 2% today. Proofpoint, you know, a lot of these I don't really know what they are. I just know that they have something to do with cybersecurity. This is a big one, DocuSign. I'm pretty sure this is like a document signature electronically. So yeah, this ETF has done really good for me. I'm glad I bought a couple shares. I think definitely next time I invest, probably within the next month, whenever I get more money, I'm gonna buy another share of that, because that is just a good performer. I see that going higher than Sundial ever will. I know that's kind of crazy because it's already $43, but I see going up to $60, maybe even $100 a share. S&P, I told you guys, went up by almost 0.5% today, or it went up by 29 cents. So let me show you guys that. I own 5.553 of them. Yeah. If you're wondering what that rating is, Charles Schwab does a rating system. They have a rating system. Let me make sure it's focused. They have a rating system, and 5 stars the absolute highest. So 5 stars is like the safest bet you can have. When investing, doesn't always mean you're going to get the most money. It just means that the chances you're going to lose money are like super slim. Like a lot of them, the 5% ones though, are like you have to, like, let me show you guys. Let me find it. I was looking for mutual funds to purchase when I got my deposit, I think on Monday. And yeah, this is crazy. There's like okay, hold up. There's like some mutual funds where you need to have like a minimum. Okay, so let's see, ratings. That's not it. Basic criteria. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is down here. So you look up at the 4 or 5 stars. So let me show you guys. So you go on Charles Schwab's website. If you ever want to do research and you have an account, you go up to research, and then it has everything you could look up: stocks, markets, mutual funds, ETFs, just bonds, like everything. You could just look it up and see how it does. Down here, so now you have your criteria. So what you want to look up, it gets really specific. You can go in basic criteria, you go in fund, like you could select all these different things: how well it's performed in the last few years, how well it's performed in the past decade. You see right there. Performance, performance return, that you want to see how well it's done over the past few years. So they have some really good tools to help, and I actually found some things I want to invest in, but I'm just not quite there yet. I need to get a little more money. But here you can select the Morningstar overall. So that was the stars that was on the S&P: 4 stars, 5 stars. Those are the 2 highest. The annual return over the last 3 years, I bet if you looked up something 50, like you see total matches, there's 334. There's 0 matches of 4 and 5 star with over 50% return, because that just isn't possible. So let's see, maybe 25 to 50. There's 3 in the last 3 years, so that's really solid. I actually want to view those matches. Now there is something. Yeah, here we go. So you have to look at the gross expense ratio, I'm pretty sure. My dad was, I don't know if this is right, you might have to look this up, but I think my dad was explaining to me that for every dollar you make, that's how much they take from it. And then you have to pay taxes on top of that. So I don't know if that's what it is, but you see overall rating 5 stars. Average annual return over the past 3 years were all over 25%. Now the Morgan Stanley that's 40% over the last 3 years average. That's pretty solid, but there is one way to show the there is one way to show I don't remember how to do it. Maybe compare funds. but there's a way to, let me set my camera up. Oh, dropped the camera. Oh, I guess my phone technically. Okay, does that work right there, guys? I hope it does. So there's a way to see how much each mutual fund costs. Mutual fund portfolios, that might be it. So there's a way to see how much. Okay, never mind. Oh, wait. Ah, this isn't it. This isn't it. Overview, maybe? Oh, yeah, here we go. So you want to look at something. You see where my mouse is. 4 or 5 stars. Those people probably won't lose a lot of money. So, you know, I'm going to go my 4 star. Now, you want to view matches. And this, yeah, this is where it's going to get you. So you get average return over 1 year. So this is how good it did in the last year. So you see this one did 32%, but a minimum investment of $2,500. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. And it's not that a lot, not that much. But then you start getting this $100,000 for 16% return, which that's not bad at all. That's solid. But yeah, there you'll start to see. Look, this one, I don't know who thought this was a good idea. $1 million and you only get 5% return. Like, you're straight smoking crack if you're doing that. Because then look at these. You got things here. $100 initial investment for almost 18% return, and it gets even crazier because there's freaking 2,000 of these damn lists. But look at this. This one, $250,000. Focus. 8%, bro. But look down here, $100 and you get 20%. So, but that's over the last 3 months. So we should be looking at the year, actually, annual year. 10% over the year. That's not bad. I probably should go back and look at the other one. Yeah, 100% last year, 35%. This one, 40%. 8% over the last 3 years. 15 over the last 5. So. And since inception of this one, which has a $100 minimum investment, has gone up 5%. So you see how none of these have lost money? A lot of people are always asking, am I going to lose money? I'm afraid to lose money. If you invest smart and not go in spending all your money in a bunch of stocks, like one stock, I guarantee you you'll never lose money. Unless like America dies. So now oh, my phone! So now this, sorry guys, I keep dropping my damn phone. This is what I was telling you guys about. Minimum investment of $5 million. So I don't know who's investing this much money, but they get an 11% return, which is $500,000 a year, right? Yeah, no. Yeah, about $500,000 a year. Can you imagine? Like, that is ridiculous. And this one's really good. Over the last 5 years, it's averaged 10%. So yeah, they've definitely averaged over $5 million a year. And since its inception, they've averaged 8%. So yeah, that's crazy. Why would you do this one? Look at this, $5 million, you only get 4% in the last 3 months. No, thank you. So, you know, I doubt I'm ever going to see, look at this. And then look at this one. $5 million, you've lost 2%. But, oh, in the last 3 months, you've gained 12. So there is risk with it. But this one's really good. Let's see. Last year, they've gained 30%. Can you imagine making like $2 million because of that? Someone's coming back here, guys. But yeah, I mean, that's just goes to show you have $100, and let's say you want to invest $100 into just one mutual fund. Like $100, let's see, let me find, oh yeah, look at this. Last 3 months, if you invest $100, it went up 52% in the last year. In the last 3 months, it's gone up 22%. This one right here. CHCLX. Come on. Oh, which one was it? Oh, no, wait, I'm tripping. Okay. So look, last year, yeah, it's gone up, it's doubled in the last year. So that's really solid. It's called ABC, or no, okay, this is awkward. It's called AB Discovery Growth Fund Class A. You need a minimum investment of $100 and inception date 1938. I think I can actually go and see, let's see, 5 years. Oh yeah, it's done good in the last 5 years. So wait, it could show me since inception. CC, since inception, it's gone up 10%, which isn't bad. See it right there. In the last 5 years, however, it's gone up 25%. That's the average annual return. So that only costs $100. And now you might say, oh, that's only $25 a year. Let's say you invest, let's say you're getting paid like $1,000 a paycheck, which you get 2 paychecks a month. So that's about $2,000 a month. Let's say you're getting that. You put $500 a month or maybe $200 a month into this mutual fund. That's last 3 months, it's gone up 22%. So that's just the average. Every month it's gone up 22.8%, almost 23%. So 23% of 200 is, oh, man, I really don't know, $40? So imagine getting $40 every month for free. And then multiply that by 12, right? Is it $40? I'm recording on my phone right now. Let me look up. Yeah, it's $46. Imagine getting $46 every month for free. That's an extra $500, $600 you have every year from a $200 investment. And over the last year, it's gone up 52% average in the last year. So you are making you put $200 in, you can even put in $1,000 and you'll get $500 back every year. If that makes sense. And think if you put in $2,000, you get $1,000 back. Like, you just, the more money you put in, the more money you get back, and then it'll pay off. It'll pay off, trust me. You just keep it going. You know, you don't have to put in a lot. $2,000 sounds like a lot to a lot of people, but if you save up and you just keep it there for 10, 20 years, you just keep adding money to it, I guarantee you, you'll have multiple commas in your bank account. Maybe not multiple, maybe one. I mean, if you have 2,500, you'll definitely have one. So don't sue me because you will have 1 comma. But you might be close to 2 if you wait. You know, people don't want to wait 20, 30 years to be a millionaire. But would you rather be a millionaire in your lifetime, or would you rather be broke? See, like, I mean, not broke. I mean, you're obviously going to have a job, but if you invest even $1,000 a year into a mutual fund, or to a mutual fund, you will make more than enough money by the time you're about 50 or 60 to retire and live comfortably for the rest of your life. Maybe even 40, you might be able to retire. Hope no one's coming in, people going to the bathroom. But yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you learned some things about mutual funds. It doesn't take that long to research. So thanks, guys, for watching. Okay, guys, sorry, I totally forgot what this episode was all about. This is my weekly recap, as well as my daily recap. So let me show you guys my last 5 days. It's only letting me show you my last month. Oh my goodness, these dogs are crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear them. So I hope it's focused. I hope it's recording. Oh yeah, we good. I totally forgot. So this video is gonna be longer than the others. However, portfolio performance. I don't want to do last 3 months though, man, because it's so like I barely started a month ago. You see, so. Okay, so let me show you guys. Oh damn, this thing is weak. So last 3 days. So today is the, let's see. You see the spike right there. You guys already see what's happening. Today is the 12th of February. So the first day of the week was the 7th, I want to say, or the 8th. It was the 8th. Market closed 7th, 6th, and 7th. So the 8th opened up, I earned $16, which was solid. And then the next day, my money got cashed on the night, so I bought $100 worth of stuff. And keep in mind, I was worth $536, and I put in $100. Sorry for the shaky camera. I put in $100, so I made $36 a day, I think. And then the very next day is when Sundial hit 800. Now, as you guys see, I'm back down to 700. I'm still in the green on Sundial though, because I bought it at such a low price. So that's why I was saying earlier that I'm going to sell if it gets to $1.50. But I don't see that happening on Monday. And then yesterday, you know, I had a big hit. Today, you know, pretty big. But yesterday's was probably the biggest. So today was a very successful week. I want to say I've earned, I don't know how to, will it show my percentage? Nah, okay. Well, here's a table view you guys can see. So Monday, 536, Tuesday, 672, Wednesday, 800. That's where I should have sold, held a couple days, and then bought all sorts of shares today. But hindsight's 2020. You do not know that. So here's my week performance. I made almost $200 this week, but I spent $100, so I've made $100 this week. So, well, no, let's see. So let's see. I think I've made about $100 or $80. I'm not quite sure, but I'm still expecting Sundial to rise. Because I don't see why it wouldn't. I mean, there's a million reasons why it wouldn't. Today's volume was only 100 million. If you guys remember, yesterday or the day before, it was what, 3 billion? So I think the camera's aimed a little weird. It was 3 billion. So, you know, it is what it is. Less people are selling, which I think is a good thing. So maybe it might rise. Who knows? I still think it's gonna rise. Hope it gets up to back to around $3 a share. $3, you know, doesn't sound like a lot, but if it gets back to $3, I'll definitely sell sometime around then. So I'm logging out. Hope you guys enjoyed the week. New video Monday. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hopefully, if you guys have any questions, ask me. I already helped my one friend open an account. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. It's really easy to open an account. You guys, like, as you saw, it's pretty easy to make money. You know, I mean, it's legal. You don't need a lot. I want everybody to be comfortable in their life. It's free. You know, you just have to spend money to make money. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's none of that. I just think if you're okay with putting a couple dollars away a month, it won't hurt you, you know? So, I really hope you guys enjoyed the week so far. If you guys watched all the way till the end, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not quite sure if anybody watches all the way to the end, so it is what it is. If you do watch all the way to the end, though, let me know if you want me to wear my Jets hat again next week, because I'll wear it again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.